To get regular updates on more such healthy recipes, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon. Hi and welcome to Rajshri Food. This is Nupur and today we are going to make a vegan version of a very popular cheese recipe. We are going to make the Vegan Chilli Cheese Toast. So let's begin by first making our vegan cheese spread. For that, I have taken 1 cup of cashews. I have soaked them for 5 hours. So I'm going to put this in the blender. Adding just enough water to make a smooth paste. Our paste is done. Let's remove it in a glass jar. Now I'm going to cover this very lightly and let it ferment for around 8 hours. You'll know when it's fermented when it gets a little bit of a sour smell. It doesn't mean it's gone spoiled, it means that it's ready. So I'm going to keep this aside and I'm going to use one batch that I already made yesterday. Let's remove this in a bowl. Now this has a shelf life of 7 to 10 days in the refrigerator, so you can make a bigger batch and use it as and when you feel like. Now add some salt and mix it. And our vegan cheese spread is ready. Now let's put the other ingredients. I have a tablespoon of grated garlic, I'm going to add that. A tablespoon of chopped capsicum. This is optional. And 3 chopped green chilies. Again, this is a personal choice of how spicy you want it. Mix this well. And our mixture is ready. Now take some bread slice and just grease it lightly with some olive oil. Generously spread our mixture. Now let's move this to the baking rack. I've already preheated my oven at 180 degrees. Now I'm going to bake this. It's been around 8 minutes and our chili cheese toast seems to be done. Vegan or not, if you're a cheese lover and a health conscious person at the same time, this recipe is just for you. So do try it, send us your comments in the comment section. Till then, cook right and stay healthy.